once again, the sewing doctor in New York. Thank you for watching. This time I have a Singer electronic machine. This machine has a problem. It's when you try to lift the foot, it's not working. As you can see, if I try to lift the foot, it's not working. If I force it might break. So I'm gonna go inside and check it out, see what's going on, make some stitch sample also, because it might not be working 100%. But the worst problem right now is that the stitch foot right here, the foot lifter, it's not working. It doesn't work. It doesn't lift up the foot. So I'm gonna go inside, check it out, and see what's going on with this machine. Let's go. Okay, here's the machine. This is the Singer machine. The foot lifting wasn't working at all. As you can see now it's working 100% fine. Actually, I used DW40. This shaft here was very, very dry. So when I tried to lift it, it was just all frozen up. So all I did was actually put this DW40 on it and let it release a little bit. Stayed on there for about 2 hours. And now you can see that this is working perfectly fine. You know, this is an easy job. Just gotta take this cover out. You know, you could just lose the screws, take it out. Then once you got it out, go inside and put some penetrating. You know, use this one, but you can use anything you like, you know, to get them fixed. You know, all I did, put oil in there, a little wire, leave it for about 2 hours. As you can see now, this is working perfectly fine. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna open up the hook inside. Make sure I get the grease off to it, because, you know, if you leave it there, when the customer starts sewing, it's going to start dripping, and you don't want that. So once it's free, you could just blow it out. I use an air blower that I have. Blow it out, take all the air out, take all the oil out, and everything should be fine. Now, here's the machine. This is the Singer electronic machine that the foot wasn't working. As you can see, it's working nice. Like I said, all I did just put some oil on it. I mean, DW40 I put in there. And this is it. You know, now the machine is working 100%. Very nice stitch. Let me make a zigzag just to make sure that the zigzag is working good too. As you can see, it's making a very nice stitch. You know, everything seems to be working. The major problem with this machine was actually the foot lifting wasn't working. But as you can see now, you know, everything's working nice and free. All I did was just oil. Remember what I said. You know, you don't have to go crazy. You know, nothing broken. Everything was good. So I just put some oil on it. And everything's working perfectly fine now. Very nice stitch also. Very nice and clean. Very quiet machine also. Singer electronic machine, just service. Thank you for watching. Again, this is the Sewing Doctor in New York, citysewing.com.